We'll guide you through how to use Vercel environment variables. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Vercel website and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and select the project you want to work on. You'll see a menu on the left side. Click on the Settings tab. Scroll down until you find the Environment Variables section. This is where you can add, edit, or delete your environment variables. Click the Add button to create a new environment variable. You need to enter the key or name of the variable and its value. Remember that the key should be in all caps with underscores instead of spaces if necessary. Choose the environment you want this variable to be available in, such as production, preview, or development. Once you've filled in these details, click Save. Your environment variable is now set up. If you need to change it later, simply click the Edit button next to the variable, make your changes, and save again. It's a good idea to use environment variables to keep sensitive information like API keys and database credentials secure and separate from your codebase. This helps in managing your application configuration across different environments without hard-coding sensitive data. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.